Hello everyone. Here we are with our 91st principle in this 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself series. I'm Walt. Here we are with our principle 91, as I just said. So, what is this principle all about? How does it work? You know, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, this one is, I've been going after a few of these recently for being kind of controversial. I would say this one is a little bit too. He kind of makes up for it at the end, but we still have some problems with this one. And basically our 91st principle is that we should inflate a goal. Take any goal you have and inflate it, make it bigger so that it's kind of the, if you aim for the stars, at least you make it to the treetops idea. Now this has been argued in many facets of life. We should push for this thing we really want, push the big stuff, get the big, okay? And at the end of the day, it can be a problem if your goals are too big, okay? This can be not like basically, if your lifetime goals are big, that's great. It just means you're going to live a very fulfilling life of going after the things you actually want, okay? But if your yearly goals are too big, and your monthly goals are too big, and your daily goals are too big, you're just going to end up overwhelmed, okay? So you want to see the big picture, see what you really want, okay? You can desire what you want, have that as a goal, definitely do that, okay? But when you overinflate the things you're trying to do, this will often give you the feeling of being insignificant to some degree, and feeling like you're not actually achieving anything. If initially you just think, okay, I want to make, one video today, and then you're like, okay, I'm going to inflate that, I'm going to make 25 videos today, then you're running into a problem with your schedule, okay? You've created something that's too big. Now, you can use this in terms of positive worry to be useful, okay? You can say, like, if you're worrying, oh no, am I going to have time to make one video? Then instead say, oh yeah, oh, this is so dangerous, I might only have time to make 25 videos. You can use it as a positive worry technique. If you haven't seen my video on positive worry, check it out. But basically, you can use it there. It's just a problem if you try to overinflate all your goals. If you naturally sell your goals short, okay, then don't go and do this. If you sell your goals short, definitely do this, okay? Do inflate your goals to a reasonable size. But if you're already going after reasonable goals, then don't overinflate them. As long as they're inspiring to you and they're eventually going to get you what you want, okay? Overinflating them can be dangerous. Now, if you just do it as an intellectual exercise here, as he recommends, that can be fine. If you're just going in saying, you know what? I can achieve a bigger goal than this. I'm going to use positive worry here to say, oh no, what if I achieve 10 of these contracts, not just 2 of them? And soon enough, you'll find yourself getting 2. So if you can use it to inspire, you definitely do that. But if you start finding this inflating your goals to be a problem, you start finding it to take away motivational energy and make you feel like you're not accomplishing as much, that's just perfectionism. So watch out for that if you're going to use this technique. Otherwise, just don't use it, okay? Set your goals as I would recommend in my goal setting video. Anyway, that's about it for our principle here. I will see you guys next time with our next principle. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.